Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm in the members area of Photon. And as you can see here, there's a shop here, the computer with a shop, and then there's some shopping and selling and buying and one software. So I'll come back to that later and we'll get started. It's right there, so we'll come back there. I'll go to my bonus page now, and here we are on my bonus page. And Photon, game-changing software, pays us $50 to $100 every 9 minutes just by watching random images online. So what is Photon all about? Brand new software gets you paid for scrolling through random images online. If you can look at images, you can earn dollars with this. All you need is a computer and a phone, use Photon to cash in while browsing through images. One-time payment only, no monthly fees. Comes complete with quality video tutorials and more. Access our exclusive library of millions of stock images ready to be used. Commercial license included. Sell these revolutionary graphic images. 100% Newbie friendly software. Perfect for affiliate e-com sellers, online, everyone. Shortcut to online success by printing cold cash in a few clicks. Prices and upsells. Front end in Photon $17, down sell $15. Access to powerful Photon software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Pro, $36.93. Downsell $26.63. Upsell number 2, done for you, $36.93. Downsell $26.93. Upsell number 3, reseller, $197. Downsell $97. Upsell number 4, IMX, $97. Downsell $67. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. We're guaranteed payments every time we watch silly Google and Instagram. 421 members already earning using the system. More than $980,281.29 already paid out. Push one button and equals and turn any phone or computer into a fully fledged graphics creation machine. No image or graphic creation being on camera or paying for traffic or ads required. 100% Newbie friendly. 24/7 income stream. No monthly fees. Double your money back guarantee. All this is covered by no questions asked, money back, 30-day money back guarantee. Get Photon now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, access Enigma. Now Enigma is something you have to log into, so you have to create a username and password, which is usually an email address, and then your password. And once you're in this, this is a course where you learn how to using software. You learn how to find viral videos on Facebook, and you use those viral videos, and you make a copy of that viral video, and you drive traffic to your page, to your Facebook page, which you create. That's how that one works. Bonus number 2, value $46.95. How to get traffic to your products. This is another course you don't have to log into, but it's a video course. How to get influencers. So, and that's something you need to learn. See, so because it's a cheap source of traffic, and it shows you how to get influencers on Instagram or Pinterest or one of these places, these influencers with massive followings, and you can find out and get them to give you a shout out. Bonus number 3, $344.95 value. content curation. This is a video by John Armstrong where he goes on about how he builds lists, the easy way or the hard way. He starts with the hard way and then goes with the easy way with the software. Okay, that's what that's about. And video number 4, 267, Gemini. Get Gemini. Yeah, Gemini. This is another course, but you have to create an account for this, and you have to log in, and that requires email address and password. So, but once you're going to get into this, you're going to learn about autoresponders and tools for email and how to create squeeze pages. So that's what this is all about, and that's all done through the software that's inside of Gemini. Okay, so that's what that is. And bonus number 5 is take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Okay, so and I'm Tony Maynard, creator of this bonus page. Okay, and we'll go to the sales page now. We'll have a quick look at the sales page. It's a Photon sales page. Brand new system, pays us every time we scroll through images on Google and Instagram. Game-changing software, pays us $50 to $100 every 9 minutes just by watching random images online, and all without being on camera, without paid traffic, without expenses, tech skills, and zero work. And there's a video, there's a list you can do. A lot of this is another proof of income, best part, same stuff, testimonials, proof of that works. Yeah, log into your stunning cloud-based software and activate your personal image and graphic machine, and relax, and Photon gets you Google and Instagram payments. Right, so not sure how that works, but anyway, you get to learn to enjoy the laptop lifestyle is what that is. And the best part is others are already paying, having success with it too. So here's some more testimonials. Yep, more testimonials, and yep, and more proof of income. So you log in, you open, and receive, and that's it. So this is a Photon, a game changer, images. I'm not sure how that works, but those sort of results are going on. Well, how you can get the dollars, the money. Yeah. Yeah. So there you go. That's Photon. Actually, $17 bonus. Oh, here we are. And we have the value doesn't free. Bonus number 1, built-in masterclass. Get you to 1,000 plus a month. Bonus number 2, Photon commercial license, and special offer as well. So what you get too as well. So there you go. So Photon verified user. So there you go. So some more people that have had some success with this. Yeah, these are all marketers. Yeah, that have had success using Photon. There's an absolute zero risk, limited time, extremely low price. Yeah, so 100% written. So it's what? Guaranteed, or your money back, 30-day. Yeah, now, and enjoy it for 30 days. See, so we'll see you on the inside. Quickly, questions. But something I didn't see on this page was the price, which I covered on the bonus page anyway, which was $17. Yeah. We'll go to the members area now. Here we are as a members area. Shopping, selling, buying. There's no, it's Photon members area. So, and here we have some images already. So there are some images there. Yeah, and then we can get started here. Alright, and here we go. There's some image open photos. Open photo, so open photo. Oh, okay. So there we go. There it is. It's opened. So it's open, so we don't need that. So here we are. So you can do all what you want to it. You can resize it, crop it, transform it, draw it, text it, shape it, stickers, frame it. You can do all these things to it, to your image. And you can take images off your computer too, which is another thing. So that's a nice picture actually. Save. So that's how that works. So what else do we do here? We've got the background image, overlay image, and editor's project file. So and you can save it. So that's what you can do with that. And then this is the editor. And there doesn't seem to be much else that's here. That's just got your background. You go back. Oh, mine just went back. Now that's it. I mean, that's as much as I can show you, because if I do this, push this again, it won't work. You see, watch. See, it just stays as a blank page. Oh, hang on a minute. Apply. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that, but yeah. So you got your filter. Ah, here we go. We've got some images here too. So you got your filter as well. There's a lot you can do here actually. So you got your filter. You can filter them. See. You can open them, you can save them, and you can apply. You see, just apply, and then you filter them, you resume, resize, you can crop them, you can transform them, draw, text, shape, stickers, frame, corners, and background. So that's what you can do in this editor. So what else it does, not sure on that one. But yeah, it's just an editor by the logs. That's what it seems like. So let's have a look here. Is there anything else? No. Okay, I'm going back to my bonus page now, because I don't want to spend too much time on it. So what you get with this is you get access to Enigma, first 12 hours only, and then you get how to get traffic to your products, and bonus number 2, how to get bonus to how to get traffic to your products. Bonus number 3, content creation hack. Bonus number 4, get Gemini. Bonus number 5, take action and get access all the vendor bonuses. Okay, and I'm Tony Maynard, and when you do that, you click on any of these any of these yellow buttons here, and you'll be taken to the sales page where you can access any of these yellow buttons. See, there's one there, there's another one there, there's another one there, see, so, and you'll get your, click here to secure your copy of Photon and all the your bonuses. And when you do, you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up the front end or one upsell, and then you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account where you can access your purchase and access all of access the bonuses on this page, on my page. So yeah, even if you just get the front end. So that's what you can do, and the way to do that is to, when you click on the video and watch the video, you can click on the link in the description and in the first comment to get access to my bonus page and pick up a copy of Photon on my bonus page by clicking on any one of these little yellow buttons. Okay, and thank you for staying with me till the end of this review, and I will say thank you for watching, and have a great day, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.